Okay, I'll start again because maybe somebody has not seen the screen, so it may be some problem with you all. So I left my topic that Mukesh wanted to make a proper zoo. He does not want to do any cheating in the zoo. So today we will start from the next part of the story. Okay. So one Saturday afternoon, what happened? A large placard was placed on the jackfruit tree, announced the opening of the zoo. Placard is what? It's a large signboard. You must have seen signboard when you travel, or you must have seen some signboards of advertisements also. And jackfruit is what? It's a kind of vegetable. So a big signboard was placed on the tree, and it was only to display that there is an opening of zoo now, and children were allowed to go in the zoo free. There was no ticket, but for the grown-ups there was ticket. And what was the amount for it? It was 50 paisa each. And Koki and Dolly were selling homemade tickets. They have just made a ticket with a piece of paper. It was not printed ticket, and they were just selling those tickets to the occasional passerby. Occasional passerby means people who just happen to go, they just pass away, and they are just walking irregularly, not regularly. Sometimes they are moving here and there. Okay. Now, what was the first attraction? First attraction was a packing case. Packing case means a box which was filled with an assortment. Assortment is a collection of many types of things. And what was in this box? What was in this box? House lizards were there. Many lizards were there. They looked rather sluggish. Rather means by choice. Why we are saying sluggish? Sluggish means like they were very lazy. They were not moving so much. They were just moving very lazily, having been generously fed with a supply of insect, and they were gratefully fed with supply of insect, because insect is the favorite food of lizards. Then came an enclosure in which Koki's white rabbit was on display. Next, you can see here in the picture again, in this enclosure, what is placed? A white rabbit, and this rabbit belonged to Koki. uh, Freshly washed and brushed. So before giving it to the zoo, she has just washed and brushed this rabbit, and it looked very cuddly. Cuddly means lovable, soft, attractive. It's warm. Staring at it with evil intent. Who was staring? Now again, you can see in this enclosure Mukesh's dog. This dog was staring at this rabbit continuously. Staring means where you are, when you are in anger and you look at something continuously. And evil intent means when you want to harm. So this dog wanted to harm this rabbit. From behind the wire netting was Mukesh's dog, and it was a rare dog with yellow eyes. Rare black dog with yellow eyes. And this was written on the placard also. And then he noticed that this is written on my enclosure. Tethered to a mango tree. Tethered means tied to a mango tree was the donkey with a placard saying wild ass from Kutch. Now this donkey belonged to washerman's son, and the people of that town knew that this donkey is not an ass, it is a donkey of our washerman. But what the signboard was saying, that wild ass from Kutch. Now everyone came to know about this donkey, that this is the washerman's beast of burden. Beast of burden means animal which is used for carrying or pulling things. Every now and then it tried to break loose. Now it was trying to break the rope by which it was tied, because the time has passed and it was his feeding time. He was feeling hungry. Now let's move to next page. Now, there was also a duck, and this duck did not belong to anybody, and a small cow that had strayed on its own. And one cow was also there, which was just wandering off. It did not belong to anyone. But what was the star attraction? The star attraction, or you can say the main attraction or the central attraction, was the parrot. And this parrot was of grandma. At, as it could recite three different prayers, it was surrounded by a group of admiring parents. Now, this parrot was repeating three different prayers. So all the people who had high thinking, they were surrounding this parrot and they were just listening to the prayers of this parrot. While Mukesh and Teju were escorting visitors around the zoo, now Teju and Mukesh, what they were doing, they were just accompanying the visitors, or you can say they were just guiding the visitors who were coming in the zoo. And by that time, what Koki and Dolly were doing, they were doing brisk business at the ticket counter. Brisk business means to earn money quickly. They just wanted to sell out all their tickets. Okay. And how much money they had collected? They had collected about 10 rupees. And by this time, what happened? There was a trouble in the enclosures. Now we'll just find out what was the trouble in the enclosures. Okay. The black dog has dug itself out of its enclosure. What the dog was doing, he just wanted to dug out. He just wanted to come out of its enclosure. And now he was trying to break up soil and wanted to enter in the rabbit's compartment. He wanted to go in the enclosure of that white rabbit. Now, when that dog wanted to enter, what happened? The dog was running round and round in panic-stricken circle. Panic-stricken circle means when anybody is extremely frightened. So he was just moving in the enclosure. So he was just moving in circular form. He was moving and moving because it was very frightened. Meanwhile, the donkey finally snapped the rope. And by this time, what happened? The donkey has just broke the rope by which it was tied and braying loudly. You must have seen what is the sound made by the donkey's braying. They bray. So he brayed loudly and scattered the spectators and made for home. And he covered that wide area where all the spectators are what? People who are watching an event. People, there were so many people, so he just crossed them and he reached his home. Now Koki rushed to the rescue of her rabbit and had it cuddled in her arms. Now Koki was worried about her rabbit, so he just saved her rabbit and he just cuddled in her arms. Cuddled meaning is held something tightly in your arms or held something gently in the arms. The dog now turned its attention to the duck. Now this black dog rushed towards the duck. The duck flew away over the packing case and the dog landed on it. Now duck can fly a little bit. So when he was chasing that duck, what happened? The duck flew away and the dog he just bumped on that packing box of lizards. And all the lizards came out and they moved in all different directions. And now on all this confusion, what happened? No one noticed that the parrot's cage was open. It was left open. And when the cage was left open, what happened? The parrot flew away. Okay. The parrot flew away with a squawk and a whir of wings. Now, squawk and whir, what are they? Let's read. Whir is a buzzing sound made by rapid. When a bird flaps its wings continuously, the sound which comes out, that is called whir. And squawk is what? Squawk is a large, sharp sound which is made by birds. So it came out and it flew off into the nearby orchard. Okay, orchard. Orchard is what? It's a piece of enclosed land planted with fruit trees. Okay, you can see a piece of land which is planted with only fruit trees are there. That is called orchard. Okay. Now the parrot's gone, shouted Dolly. Now Dolly saw that parrot moving away from the cage, so she shouted, the parrot's gone. And immediately a silence fell upon, and now there was a silence, pin drop silence was there. Everybody was in a silent mood. Why? Because this parrot belonged to grandmother. Even the dog stopped barking. The dog who made all this noise here, who created so much of trouble here, it also stopped barking. How could they possibly face Granny? Now, this was the main problem, that if Granny is going to ask about the parrot, how are we going to give the reply? What will we say about the parrot? So they were just thinking about this and they were just wondering. Teju wondered if she would believe him if he had if he told her it had flown off to heaven. And now just Teju was just thinking that if I'll say that the parrot had flown away, it had flown away to the heaven, will she believe me? She will not believe this. Okay. What can we do? He asked tearfully, and now he was crying and he was asking that what can we do for the parrot? The crowd fell away means slowly there were people were going and so the number was decreasing. Unwillingly to share any of the blame. They unwillingly, they were not willingly, they were not, they do not want to share that blame that the parrot had flown away. Koki was too upset. Too upset means she was not in a good mood to suggest anything. But Mukesh had an idea. But now still Mukesh was having one idea. Well, we'll get another one with the 10 rupees we have collected from the tickets. And what was the idea of the Mukesh? He said, don't worry, we'll go to the market and we'll purchase the same parrot with rupees 10, which we have collected as from the zoo. Okay. All these hill parrots look alike. He said, all the hill parrots, they are same only. They look same only. So they hurried off to the bazaar. Bazaar, hurried off means to run away. So they rushed to the bazaar and they bought a parrot and they purchased a parrot, not like granny's. It was not same like granny's, but they purchased a parrot. Granny, who was short-sighted. Short-sighted means she could not see things clearly and did not notice the substitution, and she did not notice about the replacing of that parrot. Okay, substitution is replacing of that parrot, and was instead making rude noises and swearing. And it was making what? Rude noises means bad noises and just promising, swearing. Teju soon remedied this sad state of affairs. Remedied means made something right. He made something right. And what is state of affairs? Situation. So uh, Teju came and he's just made the situation right. Whatever trouble was coming, he came and made the situation right. Every morning he stood in front of the parrot's cage and repeated Granny's prayers. So every day what he was doing, he was standing in front of that parrot because parrot's cage. Why? Because he wanted to teach all the prayers of that rabbit, Then only Granny will come to know that this is my rabbit. Within a few weeks, the bird had learned to repeat one of them. And within a few weeks, what happened? He only learned one prayer. Granny was very happy again, not only because the parrot had started praying. Why Granny was happy? Because not only the parrot had started saying the prayers, but what was the major difference? The major vast change was that Teju has started praying. Teju has started, this boy was not praying. So he has also started, while teaching the parrot, he has also learned the prayer and he also started saying the prayer. Now, one question is given that what made Koki rush to her rabbit's rescue? Why did she rush to the rescue the rabbit? Because it was the black dog. Because of that black dog, she wanted to rescue the rabbit, and the dog was big and it looked like it wanted to harm the rabbit. One more question is given in your box. What was the difference between Granny's parrot and the one the children put in its place? What was the difference? The difference was that Granny's parrot could recite lots of prayers and chants, whereas the new parrot only made rude noises and swear. So this is all about your chapter. Okay.